In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Serp Pokedrock in Minecraft Bedrock PC. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. Then please look up MCPEDL right over here and go to the official mcpedl.com website. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on add-ons right over here. And then you guys can go ahead and scroll until you find it, or you can use the search bar and just look up Serp Pokedrock right over here. So I'm just going to type in Serp and you should be able to find it. Yep, here it is. So there you go. Here it is. All you want to do is you want to click on it. Then you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see a bunch of download links over here. So you just want to go ahead and just click on it just like so. Press on I'm not a robot and then wait for this verification to load in. Okay, then afterwards you want to press on get downloads. Then go ahead and press on this right over here. And then it is going to be installed to your PC, and it is going to be installed as a .mc add-on. Now, depending on your web browser, you may be able to see the file on the top right like me, but if you don't see it, what you could always do is look underneath your downloads folder, and then you should be able to find it from there. But you just want to go ahead and click on it just like so, and then it is automatically going to open up Minecraft for you. All right, guys, so then it is automatically going to import all of the things that you did install. So yep, here it is, Serp Pokedrock R, and then B, R representing resource pack, and B representing behavior pack. Now, a typical add-on is going to consist of two different sections: the resource pack, which basically is the textures, and the add-on, and that is basically like the code, the behaviors of the actual add-on itself. So let me show you how to actually apply this to a Minecraft world. So go ahead and press on play right over here, select on create new world, select on create new world. Then you guys can go ahead and put it in creative mode if you want. I'm going to be doing that. And I'm just going to be calling it Serp Pokemon, but what you want to do is you want to go to left menu, select over here where it says experiments, and you want to turn all of these on right over here so that you're able to get access to like the beta APIs, up and coming features. And then what you want to do is you want to select on behavior packs. And then over here where it says available, you should see a Serp Pokedrop. So if you do have a bunch of add-ons like me, you may need to scroll down, but if you don't have that many, then you should be able to find it relatively easy. So here it is. So you want to press on activate. Then you want to go over here to where it says resource packs and make sure that it is also selected underneath resource packs as well. So yep, as you're able to tell, here it is underneath local. So if it's not already applied, go ahead and select on available and then scroll until you find it. But luckily for us, it was there. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on create just like so, and then press on create anyways. All right, guys, then it is going to load you into something that looks like this. So go ahead and press on accept. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and actually begin your Pokemon journey. You're able to pick a starter kit, which is honestly pretty cool if you do ask me. So yeah, from here, you're able to go ahead and have a ton of fun. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.